Message for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Greene, and Washington. Wind advisory remains in effect until 8 a.m. Sunday. Wind west 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Period of strongest wind 9 p.m. this evening through 4 a.m. Sunday. Impacts: scattered tree and power line damage. Minor property damage possible. Travel may be difficult for high-profile vehicles. A wind advisory means that wind of 30 miles per hour or gusts of 45 to 57 miles per hour are expected. Wind this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Belmont, Carroll, Columbiana, Coshocton, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Monroe, Muskingum, Noble, and Tuscarawas, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, Ohio, and Wetzel. Wind advisory remains in effect until 8 a.m. Sunday. Wind west 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Period of strongest wind 9 p.m. this evening through 4 a.m. Sunday. Impacts: scattered tree and power line damage. Minor property damage possible. Travel may be difficult for high-profile vehicles. A wind advisory means that wind of 30 miles per hour or gusts of 45 to 57 miles per hour are expected. Wind this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Morgan, Perry, and Washington. Freeze warning remains in effect until 10 a.m. Sunday. Wind advisory has expired. Minimum temperatures, mid-20s to lower 30s. Impacts: freezing temperatures could damage any sensitive early spring vegetation, if not protected overnight. Winds will be diminishing overnight. A freeze warning means sub-freezing temperatures are imminent or highly likely. These conditions will kill crops and other sensitive vegetation. Weather message for the following county: Pleasant, West Virginia. Wind advisory remains in effect until 2 a.m. Sunday. Freeze warning remains in effect until 10 a.m. Sunday. Winds gusts up to 55 miles per hour, mostly from the west. Minimum temperatures upper 20s to lower 30s. Impacts: tree limbs, weak or vulnerable trees, may fall, creating scattered power hits or outages. Traveling may become difficult in the higher gusts, especially for high-profile vehicles. Debris could be blown onto roads. Freezing temperatures could damage any sensitive early spring vegetation, if not protected overnight. A freeze warning means sub-freezing temperatures are imminent or highly likely. These conditions will kill crops and other sensitive vegetation. A wind advisory is issued when wind gusts 46 to 57 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can cause spotty damage and power outages. Special weather statement for the following county: Belmont, Ohio, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Marshall, and Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Greene and Washington. An area of heavy snow will affect east central Belmont, southeastern Clarion, Allegheny, Armstrong, Washington, Westmoreland, southern Jefferson, Indiana, northwestern Fayette, northern Greene, southeastern Butler, southern Brooke, Ohio, and northeastern Marshall counties. At 10:43 p.m., an area of heavy snow was located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of New Bethlehem to near Wellsburg. Movement was east at 50 miles per hour. Wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles per hour are possible with this area of heavy snow. Expect visibility to drop to near zero, and a quick inch of accumulation on grassy areas as well as bridges and overpasses. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Ross Township, Wheeling, McCandless Township, Monroeville, McMurray, Greensburg, McKeesport, Indiana, Washington, Franklin Park, Jeanette, Cannonsburg, Latrobe, Connellsville, Martins Ferry, and Punxsutawney. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 57. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 38 and 87. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 12 and 66. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 57 and 84. This is no